Hi friends, it's Nathan. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a super exciting one, and that is because I recently picked up the iPhone 12. So I actually got this 2 weeks ago, but I haven't opened it because I was in Waterloo. Now I'm finally back in Toronto, but I am so excited to finally open this. Previously, I was using the iPhone 7 Plus. It was good, but it was just slowly deteriorating. As with all technology, it started getting really slow. Battery life only lasted me half a day. It would glitch on me, and it was just time for an upgrade. So that is why I got the iPhone 12. This is the iPhone 12 Black with 128 gigabytes of storage. So this is just gonna be a unboxing, first impressions. I also picked up some accessories for my phone, so I'm gonna show you that as well. And we're just gonna get right into it because I know you're probably just as excited to see this beautiful, beautiful phone as I am. So let's get into it. So I have two cameras on right now, one of my face that you can see right now, and the other one is facing my table where I'm gonna aesthetically and ASMR open my iPhone. So I hope you enjoyed that little aesthetic unboxing, but I'm also just gonna show it to you on the front camera here because it's honestly such a beautiful piece of technology. Here we have the box, and it's a very slim box because it doesn't come with the wall adapter, but let's hope I don't drop this on the floor. It is so nice. The black is so sleek, it's so thin, and I actually love the flat edge of it. I know there was like controversy about going from like the rounded edges back to more cubular edges, but I love it. I think it looks so sleek. Can we actually just see how many times I say the word sleek? I actually did wash my hands, so that's why you don't see any fingerprints on it from me touching it, because it's black, especially with fingerprints. So on to first impressions. I can see that the back is glass. There is the two cameras there. Pretty deep black. Like I know previously they only had space gray, but now they actually have a black iPhone, which I love, love, love. If you guys know me, I love my neutral colors, my blacks, my grays. So this is gorgeous, gorgeous. I need to stop using these adjectives. With the iPhone 12, it actually has the matte edge instead of the glossy, shiny edge of the Pro and the Pro Max. So that's why you don't see any fingerprints when you touch it, because matte doesn't show it. Here we have like the bars for 5G, which I'm excited about. In this technology age, we need things to be fast, so that's gonna be amazing. And in terms of weight, it is pretty light, definitely lighter than my iPhone 7 Plus. And even though it is smaller, I guess the phone itself, the build is smaller than my iPhone 7 Plus, because it is top to bottom, it does have a larger screen. Also, one really neat thing that I think is really cool about it is that the backing, so this part is shiny, glossy, and then here we have a matte, which is where you'll see it in the case. But yeah, just very overall impressed. Before I turn it on, I'm actually gonna put on the screen protector that I got, so that's one of the accessories. So it comes with some alcohol pads for sanitizing, and obviously the stickers to collect any dust. So these are the glass screen protectors. It comes with 3 of them. It also comes with this frame to guide you on where to place your screen protector. So let's just start by wiping down the phone. So that was probably the most stressful thing that I've done. I felt like I was doing surgery. Like my hands were shaking. I was trying to like not have any dust in, and oh my goodness, like I was literally sweating because I wanted it to be perfect. And then me being a perfectionist, I found like a little tiny speck of dust, and because my phone is black, you can really see the dust. So I was like, no, not today. So I literally peeled it back out, took away the dust, and then stuck it back on. Risky, very risky, living life on the edge, but it paid off. And here is the perfect finished product. So now that the screen protector is on, I'm going to put my case on. Now, like I said earlier, this is just a temporary case. I ordered one that is black to, you know, match the aesthetic, and it's leather, so that one is a really nice case to have. But this was just one for the meantime, and it's a clear silicone case. Oh, you know what I should do? Actually, let me just wipe the back of my phone so that there's no oil when I cover it, because once I put it on the case, technically there shouldn't be anything touching it anymore, so we're just gonna clean the back. Because I have a black phone, I can see all the dust, which is a little bit unnerving. Let's take a look at the case. So this is just your standard clear silicone case. It's actually pretty thick, so it's good quality. It's thicker on the bumpers, so that'll protect your phone if you drop it. And it's like a clear. Like it's not like the translucent, the murky clear. It's like clear. I'm happy that I didn't get scammed. Why is it not going in? Oh my goodness, there's a speck of dust on here. After taking longer than I should have, here is what it looks like with the clear case. I'm pretty happy with how it looks. Like, so you have the raised edges on the side. It protects the buttons here. So we are gonna actually finally turn this bad boy on and set this up. One thing I do know about the iPhone 12 is that there's this new feature where you can transfer everything from your old phone onto your new phone. I am not gonna do that because my old phone has way too much data on it, like a lot of useless stuff, old photos. I'm gonna say this and it's gonna sound crazy, but I have 21,000 photos.
21,000 photos? 21,000 photos?
On my iPhone 7 Plus, and I'm not transferring all those photos onto my phone. It can't even handle it because I believe like with my apps and photos, it takes like 180 gigabytes on my iPhone 7 Plus, which is 256 gigs. And then this is only 128, so it'll literally max it out. And I'm not gonna do that. So I'm literally just gonna start brand new, and I'm going to basically just import my contacts. That's it. And then I'm just gonna re-download my apps on its own. So we're gonna finally turn this on. So let's swipe up to open. Why is it not swiping? Don't tell me it's a false. Oh, there you go. So we're English. So this is the feature that allows you to transfer everything from your old phone onto your new phone. I am not gonna do this because, again, I have a lot of junk on my old phone that I don't want transferred. So I'm just gonna start fresh. I'm gonna click Setup Manually. And then just log into my Wi-Fi. I really don't know our Wi-Fi password.
A few moments later.
Why is this not working? Oh, there we go. So we're gonna click the Don't Transfer Apps and Data because I want to start fresh.
Moments later. More moments later.
I definitely need this. I'm Team Light. I don't know why people are Team Dark. I feel like it's just hard to look at things, but I am Team Light all the way. Let me know if you're also Team Light in the comments below. I keep swiping like this because I'm not used to going all the way to the bottom because of my iPhone 7, so I just need to remember I need to swipe all the way from the bottom up. There it is. It looks so nice. Like, I'm telling you, just the full screen. My iPhone 7 had the bottom part and the top part, but this is just a full screen, so it looks so good. And yeah, I'm just excited to start adding my apps, adding my data, and now my iPhone 12 is all set up. Oh, I feel like a little kid that just got a gift on Christmas morning. Like, I am so ecstatic about this new phone. I will be filming a what's on my iPhone / iOS 14 organization video next, so stay tuned for that. But that's basically my unboxing, setup, and accessories for my brand new iPhone 12. I'm so excited for what this phone will allow me to do content-wise. So with my Instagram photos, my Instagram stories. Also, check me out on Instagram. It's nathan.wu. My YouTube videos, so especially with college vlogs. I have my Canon camera, but sometimes I don't like bringing it to school or vlogging with it just because it's bigger and it's like heavier. This is just such an efficient camera that I can just whip out and film with. And then in terms of things like productivity, meditation, you know, all the things that I do with this little supercomputer. So that is all very exciting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, comment what phone you have, or if you're planning to get the iPhone 12, let me know. If you want to follow my journey as a university student, I film college vlogs, productivity tips, school advice, some tech reviews, I guess, all that kind of stuff. You can subscribe and hit the bell notification. But that's it from me, and I will see you friends in the next video. Bye. Missing someone. Someone